Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a look that I have been really inspired by lately, and it's a look that is really on trend right now. And I really love bold eyeshadows. I think they look so beautiful, especially if you're wearing neutral colors and then you have this really nice kind of wearable bold eye. And I've been seeing that a lot on the runway lately, so I wanted to recreate kind of more of a wearable look for you today. So today I have some inspiration, and this is a picture. And in this picture, she has this really beautiful kind of lavender eyeshadow on, and a nice kind of like a healthy, a luminous cheek, and also kind of a nice peachy kind of nude lip as well. So today I'm going to try and create a similar look, but I'm going to create it for anyone at home that just wants to wear this on a night out. All you need to do is take out your purpley eyeshadows and let's get started. For my skin, I have already prepped my skin. I've applied some foundation and a little bit of concealer, and I'll leave all the information of everything that I use down below.